So there's a few different kits I do. There's the full kit, and then there's just the gusset kit. So the gusset kits are designed so you can use your own main body fabric for the knickers. So for instance, you would use a stretch cotton, stretch bamboo. I do advise stretch cotton because I just think it holds the shape better on your body. So, and then the full kits, you'll get the main body fabric as well. So for the absorbent fabric, this is the absorbent fabric that I have in the kits. It's a Zorb, which is a trademark fabric, and it's 100% organic cotton. So one thing I really wanted to do was create a really sustainable kind of natural period pant kit that didn't have too many synthetic fibres, and I'm really impressed with how this works. So this is what you'll get in the kit. This is the natural, so I assume that means it's not been dyed at all. So yeah, this is really absorbent. Like, I have quite a heavy flow, but I've only ever needed one layer of it. I've never needed double layer, because if you want, you can double it up. But I just haven't found that I needed that as well. So yeah, this is like super absorbent. So this works great for any flow really. So with the gusset kit, you can choose what size fabric you want, whether you want to do 1 to 2 period pants or 2 to 3, but I know a lot of people have got a lot more out of it than that, so I just go on the biggest gusset size really. So, and then the other fabric is I'll show you this one first, the lovely bamboo. So this is a stretch bamboo, and it's super soft. If you've not worked with bamboo before, then if you do, you'll be like, oh my god, this is amazing, so soft. It's so soft against skin. So this part is what I call the moisture wicking part, so that goes against the skin, so it's the top layer of the gusset, and what that does is take moisture away from the body. You can use a polyester, which is a moisture wicking fabric as well, but I don't think that's very good for sensitive skin, and I've tried that and I didn't like it at all, so this is what I put in the kit. So yeah, and then the other one, which is this one, this is the PUL, which I think is polyurethane laminated, that's it. So it has basically kind of a plasticky side one side, and then it's polyester on the other side, so it creates the waterproof fabric really. So this obviously stops anything leaking. You don't have to use this. If you want a more natural period pan, you don't have to use this, but if you do have a heavy flow or a quick flow, then I would advise using this, or you'd probably have to change the period pants more often. So with the light ones, I don't use this. I just find I don't need it, and actually the regular ones as well. But you're using the heavier gussets, then yes, I would advise to use the PUL. So that comes in the kit as well. So I'll just show you the size. So this is the smallest kit I do. So that's 1 to 2 period pants with the gusset kit. So you can also have the elastic with the kit as well. So the elastic is a 20 or 19 mil, can't remember which one, fold over elastic. There you go, it's quite a good image of it there. And I picked this specifically for period pants. I did a lot of research and I did a lot of time put into it, and I thought that this was the best one. It's nice and soft, so it's kind of slightly brushed, I think you would call it, but it has a really good stretch retention as well. It's not too kind of thin and it doesn't stretch too much, which is what you want for period pants. You do not want saggy period pants. They don't feel comfortable, trust me. So this is the elastic that comes with it. So it's a good quality elastic, and that's manufactured in the UK as well, which you don't hear very often these days. And with the full kits, you'll get 1/2 meter of organic cotton stretch jersey, which is really nice quality. So this is the rust, as you can see. Really, really nice colour. My face is getting a bit strange colour against it. So you get 0.5 meters by, I think it's 1.5 length. So yeah, like I said, that's a good amount as well. You'll get quite a few knickers out of that. So I just thought I'd just show you the different colours actually. I've got quite a few ready to ship. So this is the rust, as you can see. I've made a t-shirt from this. Yeah, you might have seen me wearing it. It's one of my favourite t-shirts now. This is the deep red, because sometimes I don't photograph very well, so it's quite hard to show the exact colours, but I would say that's looking quite deep red. That's looking quite good, how it actually looks in real life, if you know what I mean. Now the teal, always have a problem, yeah, that just doesn't, it's not actually how it is. It's so weird. Like, it looks so much more bluey on the video, but it's a really nice teal colour. I just wish I could show you better. It's just, I don't think it matters where I put it, it's just not coming out. But it's just got like a slight kind of greeniness to it that you just can't see on the video, which just makes it look so nice, like so kind of luxurious. And I think with the black fold over elastic, I think they all look really nice, but the teal just does not do justice on the camera, I'm afraid. And then black, obviously, nice black staple colour. And then the other two which I have on the site is coral, so that's really nice as well. I only pick colours that I just really like, because, well, you gotta sell what you like, haven't you? I don't have enough for a kit for this, so I keep this to make up the ready to wear ones, which I haven't spoke about yet, but I'll speak about in a minute. So yeah, so that's the coral, really nice colour again. And again, it's actually, you can kind of see that it's got like a kind of hint of orange in it. It's really nice. And then the duck egg, really nice kind of pale duck egg. Again, I think it's slightly nicer in real life, like it's just tiny bit more greeny, but really nice. So yes, that's all the kits. So the last thing but not least is, yeah, if you don't feel like making them yourself or you think it's too hard, then I do have them made to order on the website, so you can order them and I will make them up for you. So if you feel like that's just a little bit too tricky for you at the moment in your kind of sewing stage, then I can always, but you'd still really like to try them out, then I can always make them for you. So that's a nice option there. So yeah, so I hope that kind of explains things about the kits. I know people have lots of questions about period pants. I do have a facts blog post on my website, and also I do have another blog post about, I haven't even spoken about the pattern. The moontide pattern, which obviously goes with everything. Yeah, I'll just quickly talk about that. So yeah, I created the moontide period pants pattern, which has 6 different gusset flows. So I'll just quickly go through them. Light, regular, heavy with wings, very heavy with wings. So the wings is what you'd probably hear with pads, but I integrated it into period pants, and it actually works really well. So how I came up with that was I just I remember wearing sanitary pads when I was younger, and I would always get the winged ones. I couldn't have the other ones because I just found it leaked at the side. So I applied that to the period pants and it really works. Like, I've never had a leak since when I use the ones with wings. I'm not even joking, never. And like I say, I do have a heavy flow, so yeah, it was a bit of like, oh my god, this is so good. Like, it's such a simple design, but it works so well. So if you have a heavy flow, then I would definitely advise to use the wing ones, and at night as well. I mean, who cares at night, really? You're asleep. So, but yeah, it's something that I worked up. I put a lot of effort in. I put a lot of research in. I did a lot of testing, and you know, I've tried to do it to my best ability. So I'm really proud of the pattern that I've created, and I think it's not only helped me so much, but from the feedback I've had, it helped other people, and that's like literally the main thing. Just makes you feel like, oh, it was all worth it, you know. So yeah. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the little talk today. I'm not going to say anything more because I have rambled on quite a bit, but if you've got any other questions, comment or direct message me, email me, whatever you want to do, and I'll answer. Thanks guys, thanks for listening, see you soon.